Want the AGA app on your Android phone? The whole thing takes about 2 minutes. Here is every single step, start to finish. Start by opening any browser on your phone. Skip the search results and type the address straight into the bar, algamirana.com. That drops you on the home page. Scroll down a touch and you will see a green button that says Download for Android. Tap it. Your browser asks where to save the file. Just tap Download. Next you get a warning that the file might be harmful. Do not panic. Android shows that for any app installed outside the Play Store. Tap Download anyway. The file is around 78 megabytes, so give it a few seconds. You can track the progress in your notification bar or your Downloads folder. Once it finishes, tap the APK file. Android will block it the first time, and that is completely expected. Tap Settings on that prompt. Flip the toggle to allow installs from this source, tap back, and then hit Install. Give it a few seconds to install, then tap Open. Pick your language, tap Next, and set up your account. A username and a password, and that is the whole thing. And you are in. No agents, no waiting on chats, top-ups and withdrawals in about 3 minutes, any time of day. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe.